Welcome to Calabrio Customer Connect. I'm Jason from BroadSource, and I'm going to spend a few moments explaining our approach to workforce optimization and getting the best value out of your current or future Calabrio investment. At the end of the presentation, be sure to register your details and you'll go into the draw to win an Amazon voucher. At BroadSource, we've been working with contact centres and technology solutions for the best part of 25 years. And one thing that we have learnt is that there is no magic wand, no magic wizard that comes in, waves a wand at a contact centre, and all of a sudden, brilliant innovations, ideas and insights come out. There's prior preparation required. And I've prepared a brief analogue to explain our approach to it. In terms of workforce optimization. Consider this handsome chap, Ken Miles, mid-60s, Carroll Shelby at Ford at the time. He's been recruited to take on Ferrari at Le Mans, and he brings in this superstar, brilliant engineer, mechanic, driver to get the best out of this vehicle, and they were successful, three of them in fact, across the finish line to win Le Mans that year. Now, in theory, roll forward 50 years, you could take a person with the right technology and try to get the best value out of this vehicle to win Le Mans. But is it really possible? In reality, there's a number of elements that are required to get the best sort of performance out of that same vehicle. So this bloke doesn't just have a auto diagnostic console and all of a sudden magic happens. He needs a cable to physically connect it to a port that's in the vehicle, and then that diagnostic tool talks over the cable and port to the sensors, the array of inputs and outputs that are operating in the vehicle itself. And all of those things need to be systematically mapped all the way back through to that new tech, in this case the DS808, world's greatest auto diagnostic tool, to be able to see what's happening in the vehicle and be able to make modifications, respond to it, react and tune the vehicle and get the best performance out of it. So how does that relate in a contact centre? For example, are you a resource who's striving to get insights about the operation, optimize the performance of that environment? And if that's your role, and if you're dealing with the contact center GT40 equivalent of contact center platforms, and here's some of the brands that we work with, and you're about to invest, or you have invested in Calabrio as a platform to extract best value out of those environments in your operation, then come and visit us at the booth and have a chat with us about the architecture and the approach that we take to ensuring that you'll get the best value out of your Calabrio investment in terms of the hooks, probes and triggers that we design, engineer, develop and test into our setup of the platform to ensure that you get the best value. Thanks and enjoy the conference, and don't forget to register for your chance to win the Amazon voucher.